Another video. Today we have a new blower, a new Ryobi power tool, outdoor power equipment. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers can platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, this is really powerful. Alright, and this is brand new. It says new. I did see this at the, I'm going to give credits to Tools by Designed at Facebook for posting this. I did not grab this by myself, so I got it from their page. But here I'm at the Ryobi page, official page here. I came in and did some digging of my own, obviously. So this is the blower, guys. This is the new blower, 40 volts HP brushless it says Whisper series, 730 CFM, guys. This is a beast. This is going to be a beast. 730 CFM jet fan blower with two 4 amp hour batteries. I believe this is the kit. I don't think this tool is gonna have two 4 amp hour batteries in this tool. It would be too heavy. But I'm probably guessing this is the kit. You got model number RY404100. It already has 4 reviews. I don't know how they get 4 reviews if it's a fairly new tool. Maybe they're we've seen this before, that they release a new tool and they actually release it in some of the Home Depots. I seen that before. I actually took a trip up north and I saw a brand new tool I never seen before, and it was just barely being released at the website, and it was already being released at a Home Depot. So that's why they get all these reviews the day before we even see the tools. It says featuring 40 volt HP technology, maximum power, brushless motor, longer motor life, and I can't talk today. Includes rapid charger. Can charge 4 amp hour battery within 40 minutes. So you are getting the fast charger. It says coming soon. All right, let's look at what they have here. It says more runtime, longer runtime, motor life. Let's see here. 730 CFM, over 190 miles per hour of high powered performance, powered by the brushless motor combined. Guys, I keep saying, guys, the battery powered equipment, it's catching up to the gas. Pretty soon, every gas powered equipment that exists will be battery operated. Even it'll perform just about, or it will exceed the performance of a gas power equipment. Alright, so Ryobi 40 volts. Alright, you got some specifications here. 4 amp hour batteries, decibels 57, 5-year limited warranty, CFM 730, 190 miles per hour. Alright, so you got some ratings there. Let's look at the pictures here, see what else we have. So that's one right there. It seems like it does have the bigger tube here, outlet tube, because usually we see these with the the flat ones, but on these more powerful ones we see them with the bigger tube. Those have a nice design here. It is different than it kind of looks the same, but they changed the design here, and this part here they changed it from the other one. You got the 40 volt, it's a top load. It does have a nice, see. This is something like this that's real powerful. You need to have a lever. You need to have a lever here, so you guys could like a gas lever, so you could you could target it down to the amount of air you want to move. So you guys see there, and then you got some accessories there. So pretty nice, guys. Definitely check it out if it comes out. If you're on the line, this is something definitely you want to get, because you don't want no smaller stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys